Alright guys, welcome back. I am going to teach you how to diagram conjunctions today. But before we do that, let's go ahead and just go over the basic steps for sentence diagramming. Step 1, of course you guys know, draw out the two big lines. Step 2, put the subject, which is the noun, on the left. 3, put the verb on the right. 4, put the words that describe these on the lines below them. And don't worry about capitals or punctuation. So those are the basic steps for sentence diagramming, and you should always follow those steps. Now, as you guys know, when you're diagramming, though, you can have some variations or some differences to these steps. So step 1, I draw out my lines. Step 2, find the subject, coaches, and find the predicate, which is followed. Then, I have a couple of adjectives that describe coaches. So the, basketball, and other. Put those down there. Then I have another noun here. This is my direct object. It's the example that she's following. So it goes here, and then her goes underneath example. Let's talk about coordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions are those words that connect two words or phrases together. And when we're talking about coordinating conjunctions, we're talking about our fanboys. You guys remember these. It's for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so are my fanboys. So for example, Jack and Jill went up the hill. And is my coordinating conjunction here. It connects Jack and Jill together. Those are the subjects of my sentence. It's a compound subject. And they went up the hill. So, and is my fanboy. How do you diagram these? Well, it's a little bit unusual, so let's take a look. Normally, we would draw out our two big lines, and we're still going to do that here, but the subject is a little bit different. You guys see that I have two words that are my subject, Jack and Jill. Well, I can't really put them on the same line, so what I'm going to kind of do is split the line. It's kind of a weird thing. Okay, went is my verb, so that's pretty easy. I'll just put it on the right. But I'm going to split my line so it looks like this. Okay, kind of looks like a pencil, looks like an arrow, whatever you want to think of to help you remember it. But now I have Jack is on the top and Jill is on the bottom. How do I connect them? I connect them using this little dotted line right here. And I'm actually going to take the word and put it right there. Okay, Jack and Jill went is basically my sentence. Up the hill is my prepositional phrase. You guys remember how to do that? Up goes right here, hill goes there, and because the describes the hill, goes underneath. Let's look at that one more time. My mother likes chicken, but not fish. Here's how this looks. Mother's here, likes, and then my mother likes. And chicken but not fish would actually be a direct object. So I would actually take a little line and I would put it right before my conjunction. Okay? But I split it in half. So my mother likes chicken, fish. I have that connecting line right there. Chicken but fish. I need to use a word to describe fish. That would be not. That's an adjective here. So it goes underneath. So, my mother likes chicken, but not fish. Pretty easy. Just remember, you need to make sure that you're splitting that line in half and you're using that dotted line to put on your conjunction. Thanks for watching.